Second subdivision in question number 1, they have given a situation there. They are telling 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost 50 rupees. So let us assume cost of one pencil to be rupees X and cost of one pen to be rupees Y. Then cost of 5 pencils is going to be 5 into cost of each pencil, that is X, and cost of 7 pens is going to be 7 into cost of each pen, that is 7Y. That was found to be 50 rupees. So this is our first equation. And the second equation is, the second case they are telling 7 pencils. Cost of 7 pencils is going to be 7 into X. Then cost of 5 pens is going to be 5Y. In this case, the total cost is found to be 46 rupees. Now we will keep this as 2. Now we are going to find the coordinates to represent these equations graphically. First we will find the relationship between X and Y. Either you can give values for X and find value of Y, or give values for Y and find values of X. Now you know that 5X is equal to 50 minus 7Y. I have taken this 7Y to that side. Then your X value is going to be 50 minus 7Y divided by 5. So we will give values for Y and find the corresponding values of X. At least we have to find 2 points to represent a line, but in general we can go for 3 points. Now by giving values for Y, we are going to find the corresponding values of X. We have to give values of Y in such a way that the final answer 50 minus 7Y is divisible by 5. Now when you substitute Y is equal to 0, what will happen is, you will have 50 minus 7 into 0, that is 50. 50 divided by 5 is 10. Then you get your X value to be 10. Next, when you give 7, Y value 1, then it is not divisible by 5. When you give 2, 50 minus 14 is not divisible by 5. Then we will go for 3. When you give 3, again it is not divisible by 5. 4, 5. When you give 5, 7 5s are 35. 50 minus 35 is 15. Now that number is divisible by 5. So we will give Y value to be 5. When you give Y value 5, what happens is 50 minus 7 into 5 is 35. So 50 minus 35 is 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So you got your X value to be 3. Now then when you substitute 6, 7, 8, 9, those values are not divisible by 5. So we will go for 10. When you substitute Y is equal to 10, then 50 minus 70 is going to be minus 20. Minus 20 divided by 5 is minus 4. Now we have found 3 coordinates. We will find in the same way 3 coordinates for the second equation. We have, in this case, we will take 5Y is equal to 46 minus 7X. Then your Y is going to be 46 minus 7X divided by 5. Now we are going to give values for X and find the corresponding Y values. We will try 3 values. Now we have to give values for X which after subtraction will be divisible by 5. When you give 1, the answer is not divisible by 5. When you give 2 also, it is not divisible by 5. But when you give 3, you can see that 46 minus 21 is 25. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Then when you give 4, not possible, 5 not possible, 6 not possible, 7 okay, not possible. Then you go for 8. When you give 8, 46 minus 7 8s are 56. So 46 minus 56 is going to be minus 10. Minus 10 divided by 5 is minus 2. Then we will try with some negative values also. We can give some negative values also for x. When you put minus 1, then it is not possible. But when you put minus 2, give minus 2 in the place of x. Then it is going to be minus 7 into minus 2 will be plus 14. 46 plus 14 is going to be 60. 60 divided by 5 is 12. Now we are going to draw the graph. We are going to represent the lines there in the graph. I have taken scale x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units, y-axis also 1 centimeter to be 2 units. First we will draw the first line. We have 10, 0. This is 10, 0. Then we have 3, 5. 3, 5 is here. Then we have minus 4, 10. Now when you join this 3, you get a straight line. You produce it in both the directions. Then you plot the coordinates of the second point. We have 3, 5. 3, 5 is this point. Then 8, minus 2 is this point. Then minus 2, 12, it is here. So it is going to be like this. Now you can see that the meeting point, the point of intersection is going to give you the solution. The x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 5. So that is the solution. We have found that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. That is, the answer is cost of pencil, one pencil is equal to rupees 5. 3. Cost of one pen is equal to rupees 5. This is the solution.